Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to create a store procedure to save the record of tutorial post. In the previous video tutorial, we have created a table. Now it's time to create a store procedure. Here you can see we have three columns: table ID, title and content. And here we have some store procedures. So let's right click here on the store procedure under programmability here and new store procedure. Define the name here as tutorial posting. Okay, now define a variable here as filter varchar 50, default value is empty. Now we need to define title varchar, it may be of 200 character, default empty. Now create another variable name content, it should be type of text is equal empty, and there may be a primary key for that, so we will use tutorial ID int is equal 0. Okay, so this is what we are expecting to be performed or as an input and output. Okay, so okay, okay. Now here what we will say if this filter is equal insert, then begin, and from here the record is start begin to be insert as insert into our tutorial table tutorial post. And here we will pass the variables as title and content, so it will get inserted. Update here we are going to update the record. Set title is equal title and or content is equal content, where tid is PID. So it will update the record. Now we want to delete the record, so we'll say if delete, so simply delete where id is equal to this, and now we want to fetch all the data, and if it's get, so it will retrieve select all from tutorial table. Now you can see right now we have this sample, and if we want to delete that we have to give this ID here to delete the record. Now we will use here keyword else to make it if else statement instead of only if. Now what happened whenever first executed? So now whenever we want to perform any kind of operation in database, we will use this store procedure from our controller action. So in the next video tutorial we will create the action for calling of this store procedure to process the records. Take care, bye bye.